From humble ore to everyday wonder, unveiling the aluminum foil journey. Have you ever paused while using aluminum foil and wondered about its origins? This seemingly simple kitchen staple embarks on a fascinating journey from a raw material called bauxite to its final, versatile form. This journey involves a series of complex industrial processes that might surprise you. Join me as we unravel the mysteries behind aluminum foil production, step by fascinating step. Bauxite, unearthing the source of aluminum. Our journey begins with bauxite, a reddish-brown ore found in tropical and subtropical regions like Jamaica, Australia, and Guinea. Bauxite is formed over millions of years from the weathering of aluminum-rich rocks. This ore serves as the crucial starting point for aluminum production. The mining process involves extracting bauxite from open-pit mines. Large excavators and trucks are used to remove the ore from the earth. After mining, the bauxite is transported to processing plants to begin its transformation. The refinement process, transforming bauxite into alumina. This is a crucial step in the production of aluminum, a metal that is essential in various industries from aerospace to packaging. The next stage in our journey takes us to the refinery. Here, bauxite undergoes a chemical process known as the Bayer process to extract alumina, also known as aluminum oxide. This process is named after the Austrian chemist Carl Bayer, who invented it in the late 19th century. This process starts by crushing and grinding the bauxite into a fine powder. The fine powder increases the surface area, making the chemical reactions more efficient. The powdered bauxite is then mixed with a hot solution of sodium hydroxide. This mixture is heated under pressure, which helps to dissolve the alumina content. This dissolves the alumina, leaving behind impurities known as red mud. Red mud is a byproduct that needs to be managed carefully due to its environmental impact. The alumina-rich solution is then filtered and cooled, causing the alumina to crystallize out. These crystals are then collected and further processed to produce pure alumina, which is the raw material for aluminum production. Section 4. The heart of the process. Smelting alumina to extract pure aluminum. With alumina in hand, we move to the heart of aluminum production, the smelting process. This energy-intensive process takes place in large electrolytic cells, where a powerful electric current is passed through molten alumina. This electric current breaks down the alumina, separating the aluminum from the oxygen. The molten aluminum, heavier than the other elements, sinks to the bottom of the cell, where it's siphoned off. Section 5, From molten metal to shiny foil, the art of rolling aluminum thin. This process is a fascinating journey that starts with raw, molten aluminum and ends with the shiny, flexible foil we use in our kitchens every day. The final stage of our journey involves transforming the molten aluminum into the thin, flexible sheets we know as aluminum foil. This transformation is a marvel of modern engineering and precision. This transformation happens through a process called rolling, where the aluminum is repeatedly passed between heavy rollers. These rollers apply immense pressure to gradually reduce the thickness of the aluminum. Each pass through the rollers makes the aluminum thinner and thinner. The precision of this process ensures that the final product is uniform in thickness and quality. To prevent tearing, the aluminum is often heated during the rolling process. This heating makes the metal more pliable and easier to shape without breaking. Finally, it is wound onto large spools, ready to be cut into various sizes and packaged for consumer use. These spools are then distributed to manufacturers, who cut and package the foil into the rolls we find in stores. Section 6. Aluminum foil, a sustainable and economical choice. As we conclude our journey, it's important to note that aluminum foil is not only versatile but also a sustainable choice. Its applications are endless, from cooking and food preservation to various industrial uses. This adaptability makes it an indispensable item in our daily lives. One of the most remarkable features of aluminum foil is that it is 100% recyclable. Unlike many other materials, it can be recycled repeatedly without losing its quality or integrity. This means that the aluminum foil you use today could be recycled and back on the shelf in a matter of weeks. This makes aluminum foil an environmentally friendly option. By choosing aluminum foil, you are contributing to a circular economy where resources are reused and waste is minimized. It's a small choice that can have a big impact on our planet. Moreover, the aluminum industry is continually investing in technologies to reduce its environmental footprint. Innovations in production processes and energy efficiency are making aluminum foil an even more responsible choice for consumers. These advancements ensure that the production of aluminum foil is as sustainable as its use. So the next time you reach for a sheet of aluminum foil, remember the incredible journey it has taken and its positive impact on our planet. From its production to its recycling, aluminum foil stands out as a sustainable and economical choice that benefits both you and the environment.